You probably think all toilet paper and kitchen rolls are made the same. But some products hit a higher note. They aren't just made, they're composed. At Essity, we tailor our tissue with a blend of technology, engineering mastery, sustainability, quality and safety, each playing in symphony. And we make all our tissue products for the UK and Ireland, including Cushelle and Plenty, in one of our UK factories, our concert halls of innovation. Even two products from the same factory can use completely different materials and technologies, each tuned for a unique performance. From the balance of new or recycled fiber, and we're the UK's biggest user of recycled fiber in consumer tissue, to the mix of hardwood and softwood pulp, every element affects the final composition, sustainability, softness, strength and absorbency. Our unique technologies let us craft rolls that can be softer, longer, smooth or quilted, indulgent or simple, with or without a cardboard core. Because value doesn't follow a single rhythm, we make rolls that deliver for everyone, no matter their needs or budget. Put simply, we just do it better. Every roll, every sheet, note perfect, every time.